Hello friends, we are going to solve the problem even odd tree. A binary tree is named is even if it meets following condition. The root of binary tree is at level index 0, its children are level 1, their children are at level 2. For every even index level, all nodes at the level have odd integer value and it's in strictly increasing order from left to right. If level is 0, level 0, 1, 2, 3, as level in level vice versa. If level is 0, all nodes should be odd and in strictly increasing order. And second condition is for every odd index level, all node at the level has even integer value in strictly decreasing order. If level is odd, all values should be even and in strictly decreasing order. So we are seeing this example. It is level 0 and all values should be uh, odd. It is odd. Level 1 it is odd level, then its value should be even, all should be even in decreasing order, also decreasing order. Level 2 it is a or even level, value should be in odd, value all value is odd and it should be in increasing order. It is increasing order, it also satisfy the condition. Level 3 is a odd level and value should be even, then all value should is even in is strictly decreasing order. It is also in decreasing order. So all level is satisfy the condition, then we answer will be true. For this level is 0, then value should be odd, value is odd. Level 1 value should be even, it is even and strictly in decreasing order. Values 2 it is odd even level, then so value should be in odd, all value is odd. It is increasing order but not in strictly increasing order. In question they given strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. Strictly increasing order value should be greater than previous value, not equal to. Mm. Then it is equal, it not follow the condition, so it is a false. Uh, then so in the question we are going to traverse the tree level wise and all value check for all level. If it even level, so check for second condition, and if it odd level we should for this condition even value is strictly decreasing order. So at the solution we for level or traversal we use uh, BFS. In Q we push root, we for uh, we take level for knowing that if level is even or odd. If level is even, then it be if value we got even or value previous value is less than or equal to, means it in even level odd value, and value should be in increasing order. If value less than or equal to previous value, then it will be false and return the false. For even for the odd level, value should be even and value should be in decreasing decreasing order. So if we got any value in even in uh, odd, if any value in odd level we find the odd value or previous value is less than or sorry previous value is greater than the current value, it will be returned false. And after every toaster we upgrade the level, and if we follow all level will be follow the condition, then in last we return true. Thank you for watching video. I am submitting the problem. It is right. Thank you.